so this is the second video that I was talking about on my shopping trip to Cape Town. So I went to the same stores. I went to Tonymoly and Aritaum. So let's start with Tonymoly since I'm like holding the bag. Okay, so this shopping trip was a little different than my first, because I kind of already knew what I wanted, and I just was like kind of sticking with what I wanted. So I got less. So I only got a few items. I got less this shopping trip than I did the previous one. So I got 2 hair dyes. I've never used Korean hair coloring like hair dyes, you know, for wild colors, you know, like purple, reds, or green and pink and colors like that. So I did choose to get 2. I got the personal hair cure coloring treatment in cherry red and ash violet. It's a purple. This is such a pretty purple. I'm excited about trying this one. So I've been using lots of purples lately, but I kind of feel like going for red. Kind of. Maybe. I might lighten it a bit more because I left it with multicolors in it right now, darker towards the ends and stuff. So yes. So I'm excited to try these. These are for damage care, and they basically are supposed to treat damage and make your hair healthier overall, and I just thought they would be nice to try out because I love the Korean conditioners. The conditioners I've tried was so good, so I figured that a coloring treatment that's like a conditioner as well would be really good. So I'm excited to try these. Like, it's kind of, well, kind of not quite same red, close but not quite. Okay, so aside from those, I got, the salesperson gave me some freebies because I got hair stuff. So that's the cool thing about going into the stores, is they tend to give you freebies based on what you're interested in. So if you go in there and buy like dyes, they give you stuff for hair because they know that you care about hair. If they see that you have lots of makeup on, lots of eyeliner or lipstick, you know, they will basically give you a freebie based on that. So because she saw that I was interested in hair, and at the time when I went in there, my hair, I had told her I just lightened it and I wanted to add colour to it. So she knew that I lightened it, so she, you know, gave me stuff for damage. So she gave me the Make HD Silk Argan Oil by Tonymoly for all hair types, a sample of it to try it. And she also gave me 2 of these freebies. These are the Keratin shampoo, and I think one is the conditioner, or in Korean it's the rinse. So this is the Doctor for Better Hair, Better Me. So she gave me 2 of them. So yeah, she stapled them together. One is shampoo and one's conditioner, I'm pretty sure. Yes. So the last 2 things I got were, she gave me a free one also. I can't remember which. I think she did actually. Can't remember. So she gave me a free nail polish. So I got 2 colors. I chose this, what shade is this? An S08. It's like glitter. I was going for glitter. Yes. So it's the brand, it's Tonymoly, but it's Tony Nail. That's what they call it. Tony Nail. It's really, really glittery. So like it's got stars in it. See? It's really pretty. This would be really nice for when I want to really decorate my nails. And then I got S14, which is this like blue color, like dark blue. Yes, one of these was free. I can't remember which one. I think the blue she gave me for free also. In addition to the free hair stuff. Okay, so now let's move on to Aritaum. So for Aritaum, let's see what's in here. Okay, so I got some polishes. Yes, I got some polishes. I think I got 4. Maybe 5 actually. Maybe 5. No, it was 4. 5! Okay, yes. So I went happy on nail polish. Okay, so I'm really getting into glitter on my nails, so Yeah, so I got the Modi Glam Nails in number 255 Mirror on Mirror, which is this one here. It's really, really glittery. So, yes, I got 5 nail polishes. Oh my gosh. And I got the Modi again in 168 Dark Mood Glam Nails again. So it's glittery. So pretty. I'm really getting into glitter on my nails lately. And I also got, this one is so cool. It looks like there's gold in it. This is the 69 Gold Blossom. It literally looks like there's gold chunks in it. Like, can you see that? Looks like gold chunks in it. It is so cool. Look at that. I'm so excited to put this on my nails. Yeah. So it's really, really pretty. Very, very gold colour. It literally looks like chunks of gold in there. And this one is 228 Broken Sunshine. Another glitter. This one's also goldish, but it doesn't quite look like gold pieces. It looks like glittered paper. Chunks are in there. What to say? It's still cute though. I'm really excited to try these out though. And then I got, the last one is got a mix of like coloured glittered paper. So it's like, it's purple, it's green. It's really holographic kind of. It looks like they had like holographic pieces of like chunks of glitter. This is in a 53 sparkling mix. See? So cool. Yeah. I'm really excited to try this out. It's really, really pretty. So, yes. So I'm really excited about trying these nail polishes out. And I only got one other thing, so I didn't get a lot. I got far less this time than last time. So let's see. Okay, so I got freebies. So I got, they gave me a free Laneige Water Bank serum. They gave me 3 of them to try. Yes, it's for all skin types, and it had hydro, ionized mineral water, and biotin technology. Sounds so complicated, doesn't it? So it's supposed to be really good for moisturizing the skin. So I'm excited to try these out. I don't think I have tried many products by Laneige just because they're much pricier. So I'm curious to try this out because I think it's a popular product by them. Okay, now the last thing I got is the Shiny Fix Eyes. So in the previous haul I showed you I got this, but because I really like the colour, like how it looked when I swatched it, when I decided to go again I decided to get another colour. So I got the Aritaum Shine Fix Eyes in number 26, Sleepy Boy. So this one's different in colour than the other one. So again it has that dropper. I'm about to make a serious mess here. So this one's gold, unlike the other one, which is a pinky colour. And let's see if I can swatch this. Can I swatch it? Let's see how it comes out. I'm also going to show you guys how it looks on the eyes too. So let's see. Now this has like bits of glitter. It's like green and colours are here. It's like orangey rose gold with glitter bits in it of like green and possibly blue. So this is how it looks. So yeah, so we're going to see how it looks on my eyes. I just thought they were really interesting and I just had to try them. I love the glitter bits. Yes, so again I'm going to include a picture for you guys to see how it looks on the eyes. Alright, so that's the end of my shopping trip to Aritaum and Tonymoly in Cape Town. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm still working on another video for you guys. I also want to do an empties, but it's probably going to be like 2 weeks down the line. I've got quite a few empties already. It feels like I just did empties like recently, so yes, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you liked it, and definitely if I go shopping again, I will make another one of these videos. But like I said, I don't usually shop in the stores. I'm more an online shopping kind of gal. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.